Okay, got the Traxxas Stampede here. It's a non-VXL version. And yeah, it's developed this clicking sound. So with the remote on, if I turn this on, it's actually not doing it then. So just before it was doing this clicking sound. But if I now just turn the steering, you can hear that. It's basically just not even moving the wheels, or very slightly. You want to just pick it up, Frey?
What?
Just hold that up in your hands and just see if it does it when you're holding it up.
Which one?
The whole thing. So hold it like that. Okay. Same problem.
These are not moving, but these are moving.
Yeah, they move a little bit, but just something. Is it coming from? Is the noise coming from here?